There's a bright red tractor on Spring Hill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day.
here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 what would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray, we couldn't do it without you.
It was a rather special day at Spring Hill Farm. Fee was expecting an important parcel.
Ah, that'll be the delivery man. It's a surprise for Tom.
It was a special day for Matt too. He was getting ready for the big sports day in Beckton.
There, Tom, a mower attachment. What do you think? Great. Let's go and try it out. Nice work, Tom. We'll have the job done in no time. Oh, there's Matt. Yoo-hoo! Matt! He's in the sports day at Beckton this afternoon. Looks like he's doing a bit of last-minute training.
Thanks for pacing me, Rev. I'll just loosen up with a bit of weightlifting and I'll be ready to take on anyone.
Lunchtime, Tom. Let's get back to the farm. Oh, you want to wish Matt good luck? Good idea. Hi, Matt.
Oh, hi, Fee.
We came to wish you luck. You should do well with all that training you've been doing. Don't you think, Tom?
But Tom wasn't listening. He'd never seen anyone lifting weights before.
Tom?
Oh. Well, I'll do my best. Are you going to come and cheer me on?
Course we are. We'll be along as soon as we finish the mowing. See you later.
While Fee was having lunch, Tom decided to do a bit of training himself. It wasn't long before everyone was joining in Tom's Keep Fit session.
Goodness me! What's going on? Keeping fit, eh? Don't worry, Tom. If you want some exercise, we've still got plenty of mowing to do.
Later on, Matt was just setting off to Beckton when...
Oh, hi, Jerry. We were just setting off. A burst water pipe? You're joking. Oh, OK. Well, thanks for letting me know. Can you believe it? The ground's been flooded. No sports day.
That mower attachment's great, isn't it, Tom? We finished much earlier than usual. You deserve to take the rest of the day off. Matt? Are you sure? You're right. Why is he still here? He should have left ages ago. Hey, Matt. What's going on? Shouldn't you be at the sports meeting?
It's been called off. The ground's flooded.
Oh, no. What a shame. After all that training, too.
Ah, well, not to worry. There's always next year.
What's that, Tom? Have our own sports day? What a great idea! What do you think, Matt?
Sounds good to me. But where would we hold it?
You're right. We've got the perfect place for it. It's nearby, it's nice and flat, and the grass has been cut beautifully. Ta-da!
Welcome to Grassy Field and the first Spring Hill Farm Sports Day. The excitement's mounting as the contestants line up for the first event, the 100 metres. The starter raises her starting pistol and... they're off! Wheezy hurdles into the lead while the other contestants are less quick off the mark. In fact, Mo's going backwards, so it's neck and neck between Winnie and Purdy for second place. Wheezy's still in the lead. Can he keep it up? Yes, as Winnie eats grass, Purdy falls asleep, and Mo chews the cud. The winner is Wheezy! Well, the egg and spoon race now. Ready to start as soon as we have some eggs. Any moment now. And yes, we have 3 eggs. They're off. And Riff quickly takes a commanding lead. But Riff's seen some stray sheep. She can't resist rounding. Oh dear, she's out of the race. Now Snickers spotted something, a bowl of sugar lumps. Oh, he couldn't pass up on the sugar lumps. And he leaves the field free for Fee to win the egg and spoon race.
Wahey!
Oh dear, bit of bad luck for Rev there. Now Rev and Buzz are at the starting line, and it's a grudge match between these 2 speedy machines. Rev's got the power, and he's pulling ahead. Buzz is falling behind. But wait, he's made a brilliant tactical move. Rev's made a big mistake. And Buzz bounces ahead to cross the line first. Oh dear, a technical hitch as 2 competitors get stuck together. And, well, we'll have to check the rules here. But I think we can safely call that a dead heat. Now the final event of the day, the shot put, featuring the mighty power of Tom and Matt. Matt throws first.
Whoa!
Now it's Tom's turn. Oh dear, it's going off course. And a bit more bad luck for Rev there. So Matt wins the shot put, while Tom finishes the sports day by beating the all-time speed record.
And now, Matt, for winning the shot put, I'd like to present you with this magnificent cup.
Thanks, Fee. I needed that. And I'd like to thank Fee for organising the sports day. 3 cheers for Fee. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Don't thank me, thank Tom. If he hadn't mown the field so quickly, we wouldn't have had anywhere to hold it. Oh, Tom, what would we do without you?
Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you. We couldn't do it without you.